Look at these guys, huh? Out of the road.
Nice pants. Nice pants. Nice pants. Those are nice pants.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? I've got something that I want to talk about because I think it's super important to always stay humble. Because not too long ago, I got into one of those conversations that I know every single person has been in. And all it really took was to drive by one of those signs that say what the Mega Millions are, you know, the lottery. So like, what would you do if you won the lottery? What would you spend it on? And for some people, you know, it's just like a fantasy thing. You know, they have fun with it. You know, I would buy this, I would buy that. But some people, including myself this time around, thought about it in a little bit more of a bigger picture. Like, I started to think like, damn, man, I really wish I could have the money to do all the things that I want. You know, I wish I had the money to travel. I wish I had the money to pay off all my debt. I wish I had the money to not work anymore. You know, and at that point, it just starts to become a little bit depressing. You know what I mean? But I think it's super, super important to just take a step back for a second and just realize all that you do have. So I'm not saying, like, don't ever play the fantasy game, like, oh, what I would do with $1 billion. I'm just saying, don't lose sight of what you already do have. Because yes, while it would be nice to have millions of dollars to just have no worries, you know, take me for example. I'm lucky enough to have a house, to have a brand new bike, to have a newest Jeep, to take all the vacations and trips that I do. Because like, take for instance, just to give you a little bit of an idea, if you're watching this video right now, you're already doing better than 49% of the world who don't have access to the internet. And even more, if you're watching it on your phone, consider yourself even more lucky, because only like 35 or 36% of the world's population have access to a smartphone. You know, and just to speak on that, there's more people in the world who have access to a cell phone than have a toilet. You know what I mean? Like, wrap your head around that. So just step back for a second, appreciate what you do have. Just take 5 minutes of your day and just think about all that you have. You know, do you still have your mother around? Do you still have family? Do you still have close friends? Do you still have internet access? You know what I mean? Because yes, money buys, you know, experiences, but money doesn't buy memories. You create them, and you can't bring money to the grave. You know what I mean? It's all about how you perceive, what your perception is, you know? Because if you think about like, oh man, you know, whatever, I only make 50 grand a year while some people are making 50 billion a year. Yes, of course. But some people don't even have a job, you know what I mean? Some people don't have shelter. Some people don't have running water. So that's really it, guys. That's all I wanted to say. Stay humble, appreciate what you have and who you love. The last thing I did want to say is Dave and Rye and all the people who subscribe to my channel, specifically for Tennessee footage, can rejoice, because next Monday will be the first of many Tennessee videos. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, you like positive vibes, go ahead and hit that like button. But as always, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I am John.com, and I will see you next Monday for some fresh Tennessee footage. Later.
Nice meme.